Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So seeing the server busy, please try again, is a common issue. Okay, so this usually means high traffic on Perplexity's end. So we're gonna go through how to handle it. I mean, how to fix the server is busy, please try again issue. And this AI, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So the number one solution is just switch and retry, the usual stuff. This error is exactly what it says. The server is overloaded, according to Perplexity's support team. Most technical issues resolve within 30 minutes to a few hours. About what to do, wait for like 5 to 10 minutes before trying again. Don't spam requests, that only makes it worse. Then the problem is usually temporary, don't worry about it. Also check the server status. Before you wait, check if it's a widespread issue. Go to status of perplexity.com. If there is an active incident, Perplexity is already working on it. You will know also when it's fixed. So try off peak hours as well. Server busy errors happen during high traffic periods. If you can wait, try accessing Perplexity during off-week hours, like early morning or late night if you can. Also refresh your session. Sometimes a stale session can trigger this error even when the server is totally fine. You can press Ctrl plus F5 on Windows or go through the command basically Shift plus R on Mac. Then you can force quit the app and relaunch. Log out and log back in if you can too, and that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.